This is Danny Forbell here, and I hope you enjoy this new video. So, I'm gonna show you guys in this tutorial, where can you read the book The Women by Kristin Hannah without you needing to pay for it. It's directly approved by Amazon. So let me clarify, this is not a hack. Amazon will get paid real money for these books, for the allocations of these books. So basically the way it works, you are going to sign up in this legit limited time promotion, and then they will add a fairly significant amount of free months in your Amazon Audible account, which converts to free books. So for example, I was able to receive 3 months membership for basically watching 4 minutes worth of video ads on this website, and it works anywhere in the world. So I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial how you can sign up, how to use it. It's really easy, and this level of advertisements made for eBooks just got released this year. It's 100% legit. It does not break any rules, and it's in fact pre-approved and partnership with Amazon. So guys, if you are interested in this video and you know you are going to use it, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Okay guys, the first step is to go to the website I'm showing right now. Here you will be able to get virtually unlimited books, guys. The only requirement is to qualify first, but don't worry guys, it's really simple and takes only 2 minutes or less. Just answer the questions and you will be ready to go. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who loves books and wants to get premium content for free. If you want me to check more sites like this, let me know in the comments if you like these type of content. If you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps with this content. And guys, have a great day and enjoy this freebie.